Hello everyone, welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima Deluxe espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having an issue while brewing coffee. It would ask for the coffee lead to be inserted, and that was just a magnet of the machine not functioning properly. This one that you see right here. So we're not replacing that, and now we're gonna do a shot of espresso and just test it out. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the valve that you see right here, dipping in the brew unit, and scanning the machine as well. And like I say, let's start with one espresso shot coming out of the machine. And just to test it, as you can see, the sensor works perfectly fine. We did a lot of coffee with this machine just to make sure that the sensor was not malfunctioning or anything like that. Excellent color coming out of the machine. Really good water flow as well. Now let's test the steam and the hot water. We're gonna wait for the machine to heat up so it can dispense hot water. And now that it's doing it, as you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine. Nice temperature as well. Really good water flow. Perfect. And now we're gonna do middle front. We're gonna use the steamer itself. The machine needs to get to temperature, so it's gonna take a while for the steamer to activate. Okay, now that the water pump is pulsating, as you can see, that's some really good pressure coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature as well. Working fine. And as you can see, the water tank sensor works. So let me insert a little bit of water. There it is. Sensor working. And again, no issues while brewing or anything like that. We did not get the coffee lead alarm or anything. And there you have it, Gaggia, the Anima Deluxe, working once again. We replaced the coffee lead sensor and gave this machine a tune-up. Nice shot of espresso with no issues. Thank you so much for preparing Canning Coffee, and thank you so much for watching.